Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience using the platform. Today, we're taking a look at Roofstock, a website found at www.roofstock.com. Roofstock presents itself as a streamlined platform for investing in single-family rental properties. Their website highlights the ability to browse, analyze, and purchase properties entirely online, offering a seemingly convenient approach to real estate investment. The platform boasts a range of features designed to simplify the process, including pre-vetted properties, detailed property information, and in some cases, even existing tenants. This suggests that investors could potentially acquire income-generating assets from day one. Roofstock emphasizes its data-driven approach, providing users with a variety of metrics and analytics to help inform their investment decisions. The platform appears to cater to both seasoned investors and those newer to the real estate market, offering educational resources and support throughout the investment journey. From their marketing materials, it seems Roofstock aims to make remote real estate investing more accessible and transparent. They appear to be targeting individuals seeking passive income streams and portfolio diversification through real estate holdings. One of the key features advertised on Roofstock is the ability to purchase properties with existing tenants in place, potentially minimizing vacancy periods and providing immediate cash flow. The platform also showcases its network of property managers, allowing investors to delegate the day-to-day responsibilities of property ownership. While the convenience factor is a significant selling point, it's crucial for potential investors to conduct their own due diligence and thoroughly research any property before making a purchase. Roofstock's website provides a wealth of information, but independent verification and analysis are always recommended. They offer a seemingly robust platform for exploring the world of single-family rental investments, but like any investment, it's essential to proceed with caution and a well-informed strategy. This makes Roofstock an interesting platform to consider for those looking to expand their investment portfolio into real estate.